Let's do a quick update on the Dustin Chestnut trees 2026 update. As you can see here, we planted these trees about 6 years ago. You can see that this tree here is full of tassels. Okay, I'm just going to show you, pull down this branch, some of the tassel. Look at that. This tree is full of them. We're going to have a lot of chestnuts this year. I use this tree bark protector here. This keeps the deer away. They don't mess with this tree. I have more chestnut trees over there. If you could see, full of tassels, it's going to be full of chestnuts this year. This one here also has tree bark protector. I planted these 2 years ago. As you can see, I use a cage. I do not use the tube method. I never had luck with those. Starting them with the tube. Only downside is with this is look at all the weeds around it. But this keeps the deer and bear away from the tree. Now this tree is pretty young, but you could see right over here the tassel is going to come out. This will probably have some chestnuts this year. It's just a little bit late. Here's another chestnut tree with a cage, and you can see this was the same time I planted this tree. This one has a tassel right here. So this one's definitely going to have chestnuts. Now we're going to go take a walk where I planted the chestnut trees last year in September. Now you can tell this tree is pretty young. So this one has a mat. There's not that much weed competition around the tree, but outside of the tree, because I have the cage, what we like to do is we like to string them with this rubber tie. And you can see that the tree is doing well. Again, this tree here probably going to have a tassel coming out right here on the top, possibly a chestnut. Okay, so this is also from last year in September. This one has tassels. So this is definitely gonna have some chestnuts on it. Not too bad. Okay, and now I'm going to show you some trees that I started from seed. I'll bring you there now, show you how those are doing. Okay, so these are the Dustin chestnut trees that I started by seed. And they are doing very well. There's about 20 of them that I did over the winter. And also I did purchase some black walnut. Some pawpaw is in here. And I also have a variety of Italian chestnuts and Japanese chestnut trees. That this is all going to be planted in September of this year. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. My goal for this summer is to try to get 500 subscribers. So please share them with your friends. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next one.